Hey, welcome back to the RidgeWallet video, and in today's video we are checking out the RidgeWallet and the AirTag money clip. Let's get into it. Okay, so like I said, welcome back to the atetreewon video, and yes, I picked up a new wallet. It is the RidgeWallet, the one you've seen all over social media. I've never bought a RidgeWallet, and I was like, you know what? Let me see what all the hype's about. It's almost Christmas time and you might want to buy it for someone. So let's see if it's any good. So like I said, I have the RidgeWallet in the forged ember color. So it's gonna match the key organizer that I have. But I also got the AirTag money clip because for me, I love having an AirTag in my wallet because then I know where it is in case I lose it. And an AirTag money clip, well, I'm sold. So let's get into unboxing the wallet first and then the AirTag money clip. Let's get into it. So it does have RFID blocking and it can hold up to 12 cards. Now, I don't keep a lot of cards on me, so we'll see if, that works, how that works. I'm taking off the plastic now, so let's open it up here. Instructions, carry less, live more. Okay. So, it's a kind of a standard card wallet. This is definitely more for like a minimalist. Like this is my old wallet. Like it's massive. And I'm not a big fan of it. I'm trying to slim it back down. So let's see if this helps. So you get some stickers, some words here. And then here is the RidgeWallet itself. Oops, I'm not even unboxing it on camera. So this is nice. So check out the RidgeWallet. I got this color because I really like the way this color looks. But look at, wow, that's super nice. But wow, look at that. That is glowing. That is super nice little wallet. Metally, you can kind of push here. And the cards come up. But yeah, overall it's a nice little wallet. It's a good little design. Now it does also come with a money clip here. So you can add this as a money clip or you can just kind of use this as a clip for your regular wallet. And it has a little stretchy thing. Don't know what that's for. We'll figure that out. And it comes with a little mini screwdriver, or I guess it's like a little hexagon tip. I don't know what kind of tip that is. And that's so you can take the screws off and add and remove things that you need. There's also a little band here at the bottom for cash. But I'm gonna use this to store like receipts because I need to save receipts for work. So that's what I'm gonna be using it for. And then you get some additional screws. And I like that they label that they're additional screws. That way you're not wondering what you're doing with them. But let's go ahead and unbox the AirTag money clip now, real quick. Because I'm gonna put it all together and then use it. Because I want the AirTag. Now they already have a AirTag thing for like this band part that I saw. But I wasn't a big fan of that, but they have the AirTag money clip. That did raise my eyebrows a bit, so I'm excited about that. And here it is, pretty simple. It's a little AirTag money clip, so obviously the AirTag goes in there. It clips for the money, and it also comes with a little stretchy thing. And again, a screw, little mini hexagonal driver, and the screws that it needs. So that's solid. Let's see, does it have instructions on what you need to do? So step 1, start by removing all 4 screws using the T5 Torx driver. So all 4 screws. Now the RidgeWallet is high quality. It's made of really nice materials. So I don't think you're going to be missing out, when you make the purchase to pick it up. So screws have been removed. So we got that. Insert the AirTag so the white antenna is facing up and visible. So let's get that out of this wallet right here. Just look at the size difference too, by the way. Granted, this wallet is full of cash and stuff, but hopefully this will work out. So we got to insert it so that the white tag is facing up. And then we screw the plate back on. It goes like this. Okay, and then we put the screws back in. It comes with a little project, which is nice. So, Christmas morning when you're unwrapping your presents, hey, guess what? You get to also build the wallet. All right, that's installed. Now, unscrew all the screws on the wallet and set aside the 2 outer plates and screws. So, I'm trying to see if I can keep the elastic band and the money clip. I would ideally like to have both. Done. Oh my God, that took way too long. way too long. And I'm not blaming myself, I'm blaming Ridge. Your fault. But anyway, so here it is how I've got it installed. So it's got the AirTag, that's the money clip. I got the other clip on here as well, where I'm gonna use and put all my receipts. And then the credit card spot. So let's put some cards in here. Let's see, I carry a lot of cards with me. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It says it can hold up to 12. So let's see what 10 in here looks like. Oh, it is easy to open and close. So far with 10 cards. And then like I said, I do have like receipts every now and then. So let's get a receipt out of the wallet. Okay, here are a couple of receipts. We'll stash those here on this side, the receipt side. So go like that. Okay, so I mean, it's still staying pretty slim. And then cash. So it does kind of say to fold bills like in thirds. I don't do that, so I'm just gonna put a little stack of bills here that I'm gonna keep with me under here like this. So this is how I'm gonna rock the wallet. I know it's like triggering because it's kind of hanging off on the sides here, but I'm not gonna take the time to fold my money into thirds. I don't have that kind of time. But you know, here it is basically loaded up. I mean, it's not the slimmest wallet in the world, right? You know, but it's very minimalist compared to this thing that I was carrying with the zipper. I hated the zipper. The zipper was bugging me. I don't know, I think it's a pretty solid little wallet. So I don't know, I'm gonna rock this. It's gonna be my new EDC. And then if I have any issues with it, I'll let you know. And if I love it, I'll let you know. You know, you can still kind of, there's still like a little cutout here. You just push it and it brings up all your cards. You can go ahead and grab like a specific card that you want. Like, oh, I'm gonna use this card, pay. You can kind of fold it back into the stack. And then it all just kind of folds neatly back into itself, which I kind of like. Like I said, you got a little spot to throw receipts on real quick. That's what I'm gonna use this bit for. And the money clip. I don't know, I think it's pretty solid. It's definitely made of high quality materials. This wallet cost me $120, but that is because it is the forged ember color. And I just realized if I keep it like this, you can't even tell what color the wallet is. So I don't know, if you don't care what kind of material, like color or whatever it's made out of, they have like a plain black one for like 70 bucks, I think. I'd probably recommend going for that one. Unless, like I said, you want the cool color and you want to pay more money. Like I said, I got this for $120 and the AirTag money clip for $12 on a Black Friday sale. Again, these are the prices when I bought them. Might not be the prices when you buy them. But I don't know, I like it. I would definitely recommend the wallet as a gift because it's a nice high quality gift and you could always use a new wallet. And if you're someone that carries a lot of cash and cards and receipts, it's still gonna work for you. So yeah, I'm gonna recommend it. Maybe the cheaper version, again, unless you really want to impress someone and get them the forged ember color, which is my personal favorite. Again, not a sponsored video. No one sent this to me. I bought this with my own money and I'm making a review of it. And that's my honest opinion. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, go hit anybody like it. If you gotta subscribe. Until next time, see you on my new EDC. Peace.